Alright, so this is the original product, and this is a user-generated content or UGC style video that I just created using the Sora 2 model from OpenAI.
Okay, this is my new Stanley that I have been obsessed with the past couple weeks. I work from home, so I'm basically glued to my desk, and having cold water all day is like the tiniest luxury. This is
Alright, I would say the video is decent and looks quite authentic, and perhaps the only issue of this video and the video from Sora 2 in general is there is this watermark that is constantly telling you that, hey, this video is not real, but perhaps that could be fixed by cropping the video or perhaps using a third-party tool to remove the watermark from the video. But anyway, that's not the main focus of this video. Here, I'm going to show you on how you can create this UGC video using the new Sora model from OpenAI. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to navigate to sora.chatgpt.com, and you can log in with your ChatGPT or OpenAI account. And by the way, right now when I'm recording this video, this new version of Sora is only available if you are in the USA or Canada. So if you're not from any of these countries, then you need to use a VPN service. And even that is still not enough because you need to provide an invite code because, well, right now it is still invite only. But fortunately, I have made a video on how you can access the Sora 2 model completely for free without using an iPhone, and that is actually an invite code that can work for everyone. So if you are interested to learn more on how you can access the Sora 2 model, you can check the full tutorial on this video on my channel. Anyway, let's go back to Sora 2, and here I'm going to create a UGC style video for this particular product, the Prime Energy Drink, I believe. And I will use this version of the product photo, and I was actually using Gemini Nano Banana to turn this picture into this. So again, if you are interested to learn more how you can turn any product into a lifestyle or contextual product photography, you can check the tutorial on my channel. So I'm going to download this photo, and after that, I'm going to just create a create a request in Sora 2 model. Okay, I'm still waiting for the photo to be downloaded. It took quite a while, and by the way, I'm using a VPN service, that's why my network is kinda slower. Okay, at least now the photo has been downloaded, and now I can start using this photo to be inserted into the AI video. Now here, I'm going to use this AI prompt, and don't worry, the prompt is available in the video description down below. Let me just copy it. And then I'm going to just click this button and then select that product photo. And I'm going to insert the prompt. Okay, so create a realistic UGC style video, etc, etc. And then here you can specify the character of the video. Here I want to use a fit man wearing a running shirt. And then the product name is Prime Energy Drink, I believe. This is where you can specify the details of the product. So I do recommend to be as detailed as possible to give some context and information to AI about the product. So that's basically it. The only things that you need to modify is the character and also the detail or the category of the product. And after that, you can click this button and select the orientation of the video. Usually UGC content is portrait, but feel free to use landscape if you want to. But in this case, I'm going to be using the vertical video. And now I'm going to send the message and just wait for my request to be fulfilled by OpenAI. This might take several minutes, but don't worry, I'm going to skip forward and show you the result. Okay, so the video has been generated, and you can check it out by navigating to the notification, or you can also just click on your profile picture and see the video that has been created by the Sora 2 model. Anyway, I'm going to click this video and let's take a look at the result.
Just wrapped up a 5-mile loop, and this has been hitting the spot lately. It's the Prime Ice Pop flavor, basically summer in a bottle. I like it because 1, it's got electrolytes so I don't cramp up on the run back home, and 2, only 20 calories. Tastes like one of the... Just wrapped up a 5-mile...
Okay, that's actually pretty good. It is definitely looks very authentic, very unique, original. Maybe, of course, the watermark problem again, but if you just ignore that, it looks and sound quite realistic and authentic. Now, to download this video, you can click this icon and click download, and the video will be downloaded to your device. So that's basically how you can generate a UGC style video using the Sora 2 model from OpenAI. Again, the full prompt is available in the video description down below, so you can copy and paste that into Sora 2. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.